Okay, welcome to Pearl 101. Pearl is known for being reliable, versatile, and intuitive. The lineup includes 4 models: Pearl 2, Pearl Mini, Pearl Nexus, and Pearl Nano. They're often described as a Swiss Army knife for video because they can adapt to any environment, from classrooms and auditoriums to studios and live events. Epiphan continues to evolve each model with regular firmware updates, adding new features and refinements based on customer feedback. All Pearls share the same core pillars of functionality: capture, enhance, stream, record. Let's start with capture. Inputs for HDMI, SDI, USB, and XLR, plus support for network-based sources like NDI, SRT, and RTSP. Pearls also include HDMI outputs, which can be used for multi-viewers, program feeds, or to output individual sources and channels. Enhance. Create custom layouts with picture-in-picture, side-by-side, or multi-source arrangements. Add branding, graphics, text, or motion backgrounds, and even playback video files. Operators can switch layouts live using device touchscreens or a web-based switcher. Stream. Support for major streaming protocols like RTMP, RTMPS, SRT, HLS, RTSP, and NDI. Multiple channels or sources can be streamed to multiple destinations simultaneously. Record. Multi-channel internal recording in H.264, with automated transfers to USB drives, network storage, or directly into a content management system. That covers the core pillars shared by every Pearl. Now let's look at administration and control. Each Pearl is assigned a local IP address. Admins and operators can simply log into the device using a web browser. From here, they can adjust settings, operate the device, and manage configuration presets. The Epiphan Live dashboard provides a streamlined interface for operators to monitor inputs and start or stop recordings and streams. Pearls also feature on-device controls like touchscreens and one-touch buttons for quick operation. And pairing a device with Epiphan Edge is simple. Just enter a pairing code and the device is ready to be monitored, managed, and controlled from anywhere. IT-friendly and secure. Pearls are designed with IT teams in mind, supporting enterprise security standards like 802.1x authentication, certificate management, LDAP integration, secure file transfers, and encrypted streaming with RTMPS and SRT. Dual NIC support via USB also allows admins to segregate network traffic for enhanced security and flexibility. Integration. Every Pearl is capable of integrating with broader ProAV systems via plugins for Crestron, Q-SYS, Stream Deck, and Companion app, or through our open API for fully customized solutions. Pearl also integrates with the most popular content management systems like Panopto, Kaltura, Opencast, and Yuja. Adaptable, dependable, and easy to use. Pearl is how Epiphan delivers on our mission to simplify professional video.